Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Tank007. See here, sunshine in your night. Now they sent this to me, they wanted me to test and review this KC15. Comes in this box, plain on the bottom. So let's wait no further, let's open this up, see what's in. And right away we have a user manual. Now there are no specs on this. This is multi-languages. And we get one USB charging cable, one lanyard, and two O-rings. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the light. And there it is. Now this is a new company. First time I've ever tested and reviewed their products. This light plus another one that I did a review on. But I like the way they went with this one, with the stainless steel bezel on there. Also that chrome clip on there. And this has got a lot of tension on that as well. Do have some knurling here on the body, but it's not rough. Semi-gloss. Got your LED indicator for charging the light, and also if the battery goes below the threshold, it will start to blink red, letting you know you need to charge it. Speaking of charging, there's the charging port there. You got the tail clicky there. Now you can table stand that if you need to. Nice size, good for everyday carry. Does have a little bit of a tactical attitude with that tail clicky. Does have a little bit of heat sinking here on the head. Now the style and design on this is nice. Not seeing any issues here. Now the machining and finish on this is very nice. Smooth, no rough edges on the body at all. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at the smooth reflector. Now this is running the Osram P9 LED. Try to get a good angle on that. Can be difficult. Alright, now this is a complete kit, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up here for you. I'm going to show you the insides as well as the battery. Starting off with tail spring. Now you do have this protection sticker here on the battery. And the battery that it comes with here is an 18650. This is a 2600 milliamp. This is a 10 amp cell protected, so it should provide you plenty of power to run your light and give you good run times. And the nice thing about this, you can use other protected cells. There is a spring down on the head, so it's going to give you some unprotected cells you can run in this as well, which is very nice, so you can increase your run times and not be waiting for charging to happen. And this adds a lot of value to this light. Definitely a budget friendly model of theirs. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and activate the light now. Now to activate the light, simply full press on that. A lot of lumens coming out of there. 1000 lumens, it's not bad. And you're simply going to half press to go down to the UI. You've got strobe, and that is a constant speed on the flash. Half press again will get you SOS. Half press again will go to the highest output. Now this here, I notice this activity light is actually staying on the whole time, versus the other model did not come on at all. Now it did come on when I was charging the light, but did not come on like this. I'm going to turn it on and see if it goes. Does not have memory mode, so everything is in line. Always comes on the highest output. Everything is in line on the UI, including the special modes. So real easy to use. Feels like good quality, solid build. So let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Tank007 KC15. Got the OSRAM LED. Let's go ahead and see how it does. Starts off on the highest level. There it is on the tree. Nice tight beam, as you can see. 138 feet to this tree of life from where I'm standing. And it is making 238 feet there. And making the school. Faintly making that first palm tree. And it is faint. So before and after here. Now it does have a little bit of a halo effect here on the very outer edge from that, but it doesn't affect the performance. Water spout there, 35 feet from where I'm standing. And it is making it across the park to those playgrounds. Impressive combination beam on this, really like them. My favorite. Tree line, fence line, give you an idea. That's the next level down. I list all my distances in a video link below my latest videos. That way, if you have any doubts or just have curiosity, you can find those there and watch the video. I use Google Skyview, and it's about 3 or 4 years old, but it does well. Still got good battery power on this. I'm going to go down to the next level. And it is faintly making that tree there. This is the lowest light output. Still making 35 feet there. The hot spot. There it is on the fence. And it's still making 65 feet to that tree there. Well, we're going to end it here. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Combination beam on this did very well. My favorite beam type. Second one would be flood, and of course a dedicated thrower. I'm not a huge fan of the laser LED lights, but this here is my favorite beam type. You can use it indoor and outdoor. Any kind of weather, does really well, even in foggy situations. You'll have some, reflective light coming back to you. Combination beams do the best in that situation. Now, I featured this on my channel because any kind of good quality or above lights will be featured on my channel. That is really nice because over the years, similar to Sofern, Workos, and Convoy, other lights like that have been budget friendly. Definitely nice to be able to see another company come out and make a nice quality budget light. Now this is a complete kit, comes with the battery. That is really a nice feature. UI is very straightforward, easy to use. Anybody can use the UI on this, no problems there. So no issues that I can see as far as build quality. Performance is very nice. The light output on this P9 LED from Osram has always been impressive to me, so definitely is nice to see a large amount of different LED chip manufacturers out there really starting to make the flashlight market interesting. Now I want to thank Tank007 for sending me this to review. Now if this is something you're interested in getting, remember it's a complete kit, comes with that battery. I will leave a link to their website, including a special discount code, which I'm still working on, but I'll put that there once I get it next to the link. That way you can save some money on this, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights from Tank007 to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.